Since more than 40 years, ASAP.be is known for its temp labor activities. Besides temp, we offer a wide range of other services such as permanent placement, consultancy, and HR-related topics. We have a national footprint with 80 offices over Belgium. We employ 375 employees who deliver continuous service to our clients. On a daily basis, we outsource more than 5,000 temp laborers to our clients' premises.
I joined ASAP recently, and after my first weeks of investigation and having conversations with business, we came up with a plan to move to a new IT environment, to modernize the IT environment, and to start with our cloud-first strategy. So together with element61, we have chosen to move to the Microsoft Azure Modern Data Warehouse. We have a few components that work together as one. First of all, we have our Azure Data Lake, where all the raw data is coming from different sources. We have the analytics part, that is the Synapse, and we have Power BI Premium to digest and consume the data that we need. The main advantage of this new solution is that it's fully cloud-based, meaning we don't need to take care of the servers anymore, and it's also easy to scale up this environment when needed. Another advantage is that before we could only load the data once a day. Now we can do multiple loads of the data sources during the day, so business has more accurate data. We also have implemented the continuous improvement and deployments, so it's really easy to implement new features, new reports, without doing a lot of manual work.
The first thing that improved is that we as a manager can look at the daily activities of our employees, working on the requests to open vacancies of clients. That's the first part of BI that is giving us more insight on how we can improve the productivity and the efficiency of our employees towards the day-to-day job. On the other hand, we have a good view on how the revenue is evolving at our clients. And we can communicate to our clients also on a daily basis what his spend is in temporary labor. He can come onto the platform, log in, and look at his temporary labor status. So it is transparent for us, but also for the clients.
I like working with element61 because they really have the know-how on BI and Azure environments, but more specifically, they know our business, so they can help us a lot with new initiatives. Also, I really appreciate their no-nonsense approach, transparency, which is really important when you move to an Azure environment. Besides that one, I also see that they really teach the internal IT team, they really sit together, so you really see that the team's knowledge is growing thanks to them, and they can do things a lot more faster themselves.